Hello, Randy Rain here. Time to show you another piece of magic. And this one uses a single piece of rope. Now, before I do this magic, I need to explain to you the properties of a rope because I'm sure you do not know this stuff. Because you see, a rope has two ends. Here's one of them now. If I put this end over here, that's the right end. If I put this over here, that's the left end. But if I put this over back here, I'll make that the right end, and I'll take the other end, which I'll call the left end, and I'll pull, and you see this piece coming up here that comes out right here? That is called the middle, or the center if you prefer. Now for the magic, I take the left end, and I'll reach in and take the right end, which is connected to the center, which is connected to the left end, which makes up the rope. But the magic is, what about that end? That's a rope with three ends. Now let's recap. We have the left, we have the right, and we have this other end here, which is also connected to the middle, which is connected to the other ends. But what about that end? That's a rope now with four ends. But you have to wonder, if it's a rope with four ends, is it really one rope? Maybe it's two ropes. Maybe there's a short rope, maybe a long rope, or maybe that's an illusion, and it's actually two equal length ropes. Now I ask you, if it's two equal length ropes with four ends, well then explain the middles. Why is there three of them? Well, if I take this end and I put it over here, and I take this end and I put it over here, well, that just makes a big mess. Let me start over. You have one rope, okay? You have one single piece of rope. Now before, I ended up with a rope with four ends. This time, I'll end up with a rope with 1, 2, 3, 4 knots. And that's the magic of the rope.